Alright then guys, welcome back to CP Carpentry on YouTube. In today's episode, I'm going to test an ND 128 with a wide angle view. Hopefully you should see more of the clouds, everything be more in focus. Let's drop this down a bit. Right, here's where we got up to. So we've got all of this on, and speaking to the man Liam, we now need to mesh all of this up. So that involves taking down the old one. Hold tight. Right, let's get some of this out. How long is it going to last, guys? Ah, it's trapped there by the roof. Upgrade. We need to save that. Sit that up here. Beauty. Let's go put this on the new one. Oh, we need to make a door, don't we? Right then guys, welcome back. I'm doing this door. Now, here we go, that's going to go in there, and this is going to swing like this. You guys can't see that, can you?